Welcome to the folding gift wrapper. Wrapping a gift by using a brown paper bag. What you will need: steel ruler, pencil, a cutting knife, stapler, 2 A4 papers, a paper bag, wooden clips. Fold and cut 2 sheets of A4 paper in half. Fold the other set of white and gold paper in half. Take your ruler and measure 20 millimeters from the middle on both sides. Measure 30 millimeters from each end inwards and draw a line. You can either repeat step 3 by measuring an additional 20 millimeters on both ends, or use the bottom of your ruler as a rough guide. Connect your 2 lines. If you prefer corners, you can use a round object like a glue stick to make them. Cut along the pencil marks. Use the ruler where you can. Flip the paper over to hide the just made pencil marks. Glue or double-sided tape to stick the gold paper over the white paper. You can decorate the gift any way you'd like from here. Cut the pieces of paper you set aside into thin strips. Each can be about 10 to 20 millimeters thick. Place the strips in a star formation. Fold each strip inwards towards the center of the star. Staple the ends together in the middle. Exclude 2 at the bottom and the 2 at the side. Fold the additional sides inwards and clip a wooden paper clip onto the paper decoration. Consider subscribing for more easy gift wrapping ideas like these.